In this lecture, we find the circumference of the circle of radius a, and for simplicity, we are taking the circle of radius a with center 0, 0, means x square plus y square equal to a square. So in this example, we have to find the circumference of the circle of radius a, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Suppose this is equation number 1. So first we use the following formula for the finding the rectification of the given curve. So in this example, we first take the Cartesian formula to find out the length of the circle or circumference of the circle. So let y is equal to f of x be an equation of the Cartesian curve. Then the length of the curve from the point x equal to a to b, x equal to b is given by s is equal to integration under the limit x equal to a to x equal to b of root over 1 plus dy dx whole square with respect to x. So now since the given curve is Cartesian curve, so right now we are using the Cartesian formula to find out the rectification of the circle, or we can say that perimeter of the circle, or it should be also called the circumference of the circle. From equation number 1, we have y is equal to, since it is x square plus y square equal to a square, so y square equal to a square minus x square. So y is equal to root over a square minus x square. So now here we are considering that the value will be, since it is y square, so it should be plus minus, but we are only taking the positive value over here. Now, if y equal to root over a square minus x square, then what is dy dx? Because if you want to find the value of s, we need to find out the value of dy dx. So let us find the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy dx is equal to derivative of root x is what? Derivative of root x is 1 upon, means let me just try to find out what is the derivative of a square minus x square. This is y, 1 upon 2, this is y. So dy dx, which is equal to 1 upon 2 a square minus x square 1 upon 2 minus 1, and again derivative of this part is 0 minus 2x, which can be written as, if 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, so this should goes to denominator. So 1 upon 2 root over a square minus x square, and this is minus 2x. So what is the answer? Minus 2x upon 2 root a square minus x square. This is the derivative of y with respect to x. So now this 2 and 2 will cancel. So we have minus x upon root a square minus x square. Consider 1 plus dy dx whole square. So 1 plus, what is dy dx? It is minus x upon root a square minus x square. So it will become minus x square is x square. And if we take square of root over a square minus x square, it will be, root sign will be removed. And now if we take the LCM, what is the LCM of this? This is nothing but a square minus x square. A square minus x square. So 1 into a square minus x square plus x square upon a square minus x square. So this x square minus and plus will cancel. We have a square upon a square minus x square. This is the value of 1 plus dy dx whole square. Now we substitute these values in equation number 2. Then we have, what is, first let us find out, this is the 1 plus dy dx whole square. So if we take its square root, it is nothing but a upon root over a square minus x square. Again, I will emphasize over here that I am only taking the positive values. I am not taking negative value. Now this is a circle. It is a circle of radius A. This is center. We want to find out this circumference of a circle. Let us go ahead. Let us substitute this value in the equation number 2. Hence the circumference of circle is 4 times of length of AB. What is the meaning of this? Let me show you first that length of 4 times of length of AB. We have, this is a circle. This is A and this is B. So we want to find out what is the length. This is A0 and this is 0B. So if we find out the length of this part and multiply this by 4, then we get the whole circumference of a circle. 4 times of integration. What is the limit of A? So limit of A is nothing but from this is A equal to 0 to A equal to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to A. Here 0 and here A. Right. So limit is from x equal to 0 to x equal to A upon root over x square minus A square minus x square with respect to x. Now we can take A outside. A outside. What is the integration of 1 upon root over A square minus x square? So this is nothing but sine inverse of x by A and under the limit of A0 to A. This is the integration of dx upon root over A square minus x square is sine inverse of x by A. Now if you put the upper limit is A. So A by A is 1. And this A goes to this side, it multiply by 4A, it becomes 4A. Sine inverse of 1, and if we take the lower limit, x equal to 0, so it will become sine inverse of 0. But we know that sine inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 2, and sine inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So 4A into pi by 2, so this 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. So we are getting 2 pi A, and this 2 pi A is nothing but it is a circumference of the circle, or it is also called perimeter of a circle. So this is the desired result. Using the Cartesian formula of rectification, we obtain the circumference of the circle. Thank you.